Hi friends, today I'll speak about microwave oven. Now, does microwave cooking cause cancer? Well, in the year 2002, Swedish research scientists discovered that microwaving starch-based foods generates acrylamide, 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 a cancer-causing chemical. Acrylamide is also known to cause nerve damage. Some experts say that microwave ovens don't give off enough energy to damage the genetic material in cells, so they can't cause cancer. That's all for today, friends. Take good care of yourself and people around you, and please pray for world peace. Bye.